Where do I store all the boxes for all of this?
Doop 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 pum 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 boop 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 ba 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 boom ba da 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 da.
3 main sets. Biggest one, 800 pieces. Second biggest one, 600. Third biggest one, 400. Medium sets. Tiny sets. Room. 4 more sets. Room. Instruction sheets. They go in here. In here. That didn't fit anywhere else. Empty one. But if I run out of room, it takes me a really long time to save for a big set, or at least even a medium set, so that will probably not happen until like a year. Maybe these will even be in a completely different place by then. So that's where I keep my Legos. Boxes.